It's all about strong muscles today. When you have muscle strength, you move with more power, your endurance increases, and you reduce your risk of injury. This exercise is for all of us. I'm going to lead you through a lower body wall Pilates movement that will strengthen your glutes and hamstrings, which is great for pelvic and spinal stability, reducing your risk of lower back and knee injuries, and improving your capabilities to do what you love, whether that be pickleball, indoor climbing, a gym workout, or group classes like yoga and Pilates. Hi gorgeous, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. Your friend Cassidy here. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years and I'm happy to guide you through this exercise today. And I want to thank you for subscribing, watching, liking, and sharing these videos because it gives me the feedback to create the content you're looking for. And today's exercise is inspired by you. Even if you're familiar with this exercise, I encourage you to follow along with me so you can hear the tips, the tricks, and cues that will help you to master the movement and get the best results. This exercise is perfect for beginners, so no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's move together to help you feel better in your body. You're going to start laying down on your back with your legs straight, feet flat on the wall, and your legs all the way together. Hands down at your sides. You want to press into your palms so you feel your triceps engage and your chest open slightly. So from here, you're going to start with the coccyx curler. You're going to pull the belly in, imprint your lower back into the mat, and then you're going to peel one vertebra at a time off the wall. You're going to feel your glutes really fire up. You're going to push your feet down into the wall so you feel your hamstrings engage, and you're going to bridge up as high as you can without feeling any strain in your lower back. So at the top of your bridge, which may not be very high, and that's absolutely fine, do what's right for you. You want to feel your glutes and the back of your legs, your hamstrings really fired up. Now from here, you want to check that your pelvis is level, that you're not dipping down on one side. Remember to keep pressing into your palms, feeling your triceps, opening up your shoulders. You may already be feeling the burn in your glutes and your hamstrings. That's absolutely normal. I'm already feeling a burn. Now from here, you're going to add in little pulses. So you're going to drop the pelvis down just a little bit and then squeeze the glutes and pick it back up and repeat that. So lower the pelvis a little bit and then pick it back up. You're gonna really feel the burn and you want that. That's good. I'm feeling the burn. And I've only done like 4. So here we are, number 5. Keep squeezing the glutes. 6. Notice how I'm working nice and slow. 7. Really squeezing and wrapping the glutes. 8. And of course, feeling the support of the abs. 9, oh my goodness, I'm burning. 10, let's do 5 more. 1, 2, you got this. 3, 4, 1 more, and 5, excellent. Now go ahead and roll down one vertebra at a time. Whew, and then just let everything relax here at the bottom. Nice work. So the further away your booty is from the wall, the harder it will be. So you want to decide for yourself what distance feels best for you. And it's absolutely fine to do the first set starting further away from the wall and then come in closer for the second set, or vice versa. You can adjust the distance as needed. Are you ready to do the second set? I'm ready. Let's go. So you're gonna have your hands down at your sides, press into your palms, open up your chest, feel your triceps engaged, hollow out the belly, squeeze the glutes, bridging up. Really feel those glutes wrapping as you bridge up, feeling those hamstrings kicking in the higher you get, pressing your feet into the wall, really feeling engaged, feeling the burn, yeah? All right, adding the glute pulses. Here we go. Release, and then squeeze, and repeating that. Using your breath, pulling navel to spine on your exhales. This is number 5, working nice and slow. 6, 7, really small movement. 8, wow, are you burning? I am burning. Oh my goodness. Woo, let's do 5 more. 1, oh my goodness, I'm on fire. 2, you got this. 3, only 2 more, you got this. 4, last one, and 5, and then coming down, 1 vertebra at a time. Wow, nicely done. So from here, let's stretch out the glutes. So cross your right knee over your left, pull into your chest, and then shift your knees over to your left a little bit so that you feel the stretch get into your right glute. And then pull your knees in towards your chest with each exhale, just trying to deepen into the stretch. It's so important to stretch the glutes out after you work them. Tight glutes can lock up the hips. Tight hips can lock up the lower back. We don't want that chain reaction, right? So it's always a good idea just to take a couple of moments to stretch out the glutes. All right, switching sides, left knee over the right, pulling into your chest. You want to shift your knees over to your right a little bit so you feel the stretch get into your left glute. Pulling your knees into your chest with each exhale, just getting deeper into the stretch with each breath. Hopefully it feels good. I mean, I think it feels good. I enjoy stretching. Of course, remembering to breathe. Let out a nice sigh. All right, now from there, we're gonna stretch the hamstrings. So you're gonna come up, you're gonna have your booty up against the wall. You're gonna bring your legs up and then flex the feet. And you're gonna feel that hamstring stretch and calf stretch, right? So all along the back line of your leg. And just trying to pull your toes towards your shins, feeling the stretch of the hamstrings. It's always good to stretch out the muscles so they remain long and supple, allowing them to move better, move through their range of motion better, so you don't get tight, short, and locked up, right? Remembering to breathe. Go ahead and let out a sigh. Excellent, nicely done. All right, you did it, sweet. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You're helping yourself to get stronger. I love it. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 1 of 3. You can access part 2 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.